Hi guys, after installing the app, you can start controlling SpiderPi Pro via the app. First, take a look at Robot Control. In Robot Control, you can control Hasper Robot and Robot Arm separately, and let's control the Hasper Robot to move first. The control interface is divided into three parts. At left is the Hasper Robot movement control area. At the middle is the real-time image transmitted by camera. At the bottom and right, they are the slider used to change the robot speed and gait. Okay, you can tap the buttons randomly to move the robot. If you want to change the speed, you can drag the slider at the bottom. Drag the slider to right, the robot moving speed is increased. Drag the slider to left, the robot moving speed is decreased. If you want to switch the robot gait, you can drag the slider at right. There are three modes: high, medium, and low. Click the action button here. SpiderPi Pro will take action, like catch forward, and then fight. If you want to capture the current image, you can click the camera icon at the top and back to the home interface. Tap this button, then you can check the picture. Having experience controlling the Hasper robot, let's take a look at robotic arm control. Firstly, click the robotic arm icon. The buttons at right correspond to 5 servos on the robotic arm. From the button to the top are number 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 servo. Okay, let me show you how to make it move. If you want to make it back to the initial posture, you can click this button. Okay guys, for more operation, you can check the next video.